In this lesson, you will learn how to form questions with is there and are there. First, I have some questions about your town. Is it big or small? Is there a university? Is there a shopping center? Are there many places to eat? Are there parks and sports fields? Okay, look at these questions. Is there a university? Are there many places to eat? Let's look at how to form these kinds of questions. Remember, we use there is and there are to describe. Here is a picture of a desk. There is a computer on the desk. There are books on the desk. These sentences describe the desk. And remember, we look at the noun to decide what form of the be verb we need. Here, computer is singular, so we use is. Here, books is plural, so we use are. And also remember, to form a question with be, we switch the subject and the verb. He is a musician is the sentence. Is he a musician? Yes, he is. To form a question with there is or there are, you do the same thing. So, there is a computer on the desk. We are going to switch or change the order of there is, and we have, is there a computer on the desk? Yes, there is. And there are books on the desk. Change or reverse the order. Are there books on the desk? Yes, there are. Let's look at some more examples. Are there nuts in the muffins? Yes, there are. There are walnuts in the muffins. Is there a pool at the hotel? Yes, there is. There are 2 swimming pools at the hotel. Are there washing machines in the building? Yes, there are. There are washers and dryers in each apartment. Is there a playground at the park? No, there isn't. There isn't a playground. Okay, now you try. Look at the question. What goes in the blank? Remember, for there is and there are, we look to this noun to decide is or are. So what's the question? Is there? Is there a library on campus? Yes, there is. There is a big library on campus. What goes in this blank? Is there? Is there a television in the room? No, there isn't. The room has a desk and Wi-Fi, but there isn't a television. Okay, last practice. What goes in these blanks? Are there? Are there many students in the class? Yes, there are. Are there any questions? No, there aren't. Use is there and are there to form questions. Is there a plant on the desk? Yes, there is. Are there pens in the cup? Yes, there are.